Come right here. See, you gonna look in there? Look in there. See? Look in there. You see it? Say fishes. You see any fishes? Look in there. It's gonna bite your fingers. Go ahead, look. You scared? Come on. She's scared. Come on. Yo, I'm gonna put you in there. I'm gonna throw you in there at the fish. Come on. Let me throw you in there at the fish. Come on. You don't want to? Okay, come on. We're gonna go in the house then. You wanna go home? Wanna go with butterflies at? Why? Go there and get me a fish out that pond. Go get me a fish. Go ahead. Go get it. Here it comes. Upstairs. It's outside. Want to go outside and get it? You scared? Well, go get me a fish out that pond then, with your hand. Come on. Could you do it? Huh? You can't do it? Yeah, go on down there and get it. Good. Bring me a snake and a frog. Tell that frog and that snake I said, come here. Go get it. Go tell it. Tell them, come here. Where you going? Right there. Go right there. Come on over here. Stay in there. Get him out there. Right there. Huh? You scared of that? Why? Tell Channel 12 News why you scared. Here, look. Why you scared? Huh? Ain't you a big girl? Oh, okay. Come on over here. You can see that over there. Don't step on that. Step over there. Come on. Come over this way. Now go get it. Stick your hand in the pond and get me a fish. You scared of that? Wow. I thought you was a big girl. Huh? You ain't no big girl?
Yeah.
That's a cricket. It's gonna get on your leg. Hurry. I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you. Bye. Bye, I'm going. That butterfly ain't no get me. Ain't no get me either. Where? It ain't on my leg. Great. See it? You can't stand in there, you'll fall. Get down. Get down. Get. You better get down. Get down.
Down.
Yeah, get down.
Get down.
Get down. That's exactly what I said. You gotta go to the pond and get the fish so we can cook it.
Oh.
Well, how we gonna get a fish then?
Two.
Huh?
Two.
To what?
Two.
To what?
Two.
You gonna go get 2 fishes? Go stick your hand in there and get it.
No.
Why?
I said that.
Go ahead, go get it. Ain't no get on you.
No. No.
You wanna go now? Okay. The blood fight. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the butterfly now. Let me get off your back. It's on your back. Hurry, turn around. It's on your back. Get off. Yes, you can. Hit it. Hit it with your hand.
No.
Do like this. Get that butterfly off you. No, I want you to do it.
What you doing?
You do it.
What doing?
You do it.
What doing?
Go ahead. It's your back. Get him. Greg gonna bite you.
No.
You want him to bite you? We'll get him out. Turn around. I'll get it out. Want me to get it out? Turn around.
Who's gonna bite you?
He gonna bite you too. He like you the best. He's the sweetest.
Outdoors.
Huh?
Outdoors.
Okay, good.